like not that it looks like a curtain, but it gives like curtain.
No ways. Then why did you react like that?
Just materials. The way you have a good game face. There is a common myth in fashion that when you make your own clothing, it is usually cheaper. I'm going to be putting that to the test. I'm wearing an outfit that I made today. I'm out at Creator Fest in London, and I'm going to be asking strangers whether they can guess that my outfit is handmade or store-bought, how much they think it costs, and how long it took to make. I am honestly curious what people are going to say. So let's go ask some people if they can guess that my outfit is handmade or not. First question. Can you tell if my outfit is store-bought or handmade?
I'm trying to see the cut. If this is handmade, this is really well stitched together. I'm gonna say handmade.
You see, because you're asking me that, I would have thought that it is handmade, but I have a feeling you're trying to trick me. It's handmade.
That was the most confusing answer.
Yeah, it's handmade.
Handmade? Locked in?
Yeah. Yeah.
Handmade?
Handmade? Okay, why?
Very serious. Not that it looks like a curtain, but it gives like curtain.
Handmade. Because it looks so intricate and like the material and everything. Okay, from your reaction, I guess it's not.
Handmade?
Yeah.
Handmade.
Handmade? Okay.
Yep.
Why?
Because I can tell by the detailing that I'm so making it up. I just guessed it. I'm not gonna lie, but I could tell. But I can just sort of there's something about it that I can tell was handmade. In all honesty.
Okay. How much do you think it costs?
70 pounds for the dress.
To make it, as in materials.
Materials,
Labor.
everything. How much?
I'm going to say, can you give me a clue of where it's sourced?
So the fabrics might be from Europe,
Okay.
according to the label.
Okay. 60 pounds.
60 pounds. Everything. You would pay somebody to...
Well, not in Nigeria. But is this just like an exercise for me to like look silly?
No. The whole concept of this is for people to actually look and perceive value. So
Yes. Now, I think this looks like really good quality, but I feel like you can get really good quality out of handmade stuff, and it's not super expensive. When you go to tailors in Nigeria, amazing embroidery, everything is there.
Really good.
Doesn't necessarily mean that it costs a lot in comparison, especially when you convert it. So that's why I was asking where's it from.
Yeah.
But I would think, I'm still gonna say like 80 pounds.
Okay, 80 pounds.
Buttons.
The denim, the fabric, the interfacing.
How much it costs?
Yeah.
£75.
How much do you think it costs to make this? 50 pounds? Okay, all right. Final answer?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're scary.
How much do you think it cost? Can I feel?
Yes. You're the first person that has touched
Okay.
it. Everyone else would be like,
To make it, the time making it and the material, £200.
Okay. How long do you think it took to make this?
A week.
A week?
Yeah.
A whole week?
I don't know who your tailor is, but I know when I go to my tailor, it's a week minimum.
I think in hours spent on it, I think it took. You're annoying. I think it took. Oh gosh, man, 8 hours.
I've never tailored, but I'd say 2 working days.
2 working days? Okay. How long do you think it took to make this?
1 week.
1 week.
That's very. I'm so bad at this. You found the worst person to do this.
No. I need to stop laughing
I'm
when people
literally
answer.
making shit up.
It's honestly some pieces take 1 week. So to be fair, you are not wrong. You are not wrong.
Okay, of
Yeah.
people doing it in like 1 week.
Yeah,
putting
1
it
week,
together
like 2
for
weeks,
some,
yeah.
like, event. which we are at, so you could have. But I don't even think this is handmade anymore from your reaction.
Time-wise is a question, as in how long it took. I would probably say it probably would have taken at least 5 hours.
Okay.
At least 5 to 6 hours, I'd say.
Yeah, not bad.
Am I close? I don't know what that dance is, but anyway, go on.
This cost £27 to make for materials. Just materials.
The way you have a good game face, 20. Do you know what? That means you're a good designer and a good creator
thank
because
you.
it looks like it's worth more than.
Oh,
but go on,
thank
carry
you,
on. Go
thank
on,
you.
carry
Okay,
on.
so £27.
Yeah.
It took 2 days to make, and yes,
Okay.
it's handmade.
See, I got something right, I guess.
Yeah,
I got something right, eh?
It is handmade.
Oh, okay. At least I got something.
Yeah, it is handmade, and it took 2 days.
What? Okay, I thought 1 week was like less. Okay, fine. Wow, did you make it?
Yeah.
No ways. Then why did you react like that?
It's to throw people off.
Oh my god, that is. Wow,
Thank
you're talented. Damn, girl. You're good.
So I was up till 11 p.m. yesterday, finishing this. It is handmade, I confirmed that, but it cost £27.
Okay.
And it took 2 days. So you're actually the first person to get it.
And what is a curtain? Is a curtain? It's not a curtain. Just in case, it might have been. You might have looked at the curtain and been like, I could turn that into something.
Fair, the Sound of Music, she did use curtains to make dresses.
I've seen it happen.
And they looked really good.
The odds is something handmade or not. But this looks like it's been handmade, but it looks handmade in a good way. If that makes sense. It doesn't look like I cheaped out. It looks like you have your own style and therefore you sought after a tailor or you did it yourself because you know how to make something for yourself. So it's different in it's handmade because it's all the money I had versus no, it needs to fit me and it works because I know what I wear and how it looks and it complements my body or how I look and everything.
Well, I made this yesterday.
Wow.
It cost £27
Wow.
and it only took 2 days.
Wow. Wow. Well done. Well done. Well done. Well done. Do you know where it is, yeah? I don't make clothes, so I don't even know. This is talent. This is proper.
Thank you.
Made, wow.
I was up
2
to
days.
like 11 yesterday,
Wow.
stitching on the
So
button.
where did you get the material from?
I actually got it from Devon.
Devon?
Yeah.
In the UK? Wow, okay. yeah, cool.
That was a fun experiment. It was interesting that everyone was able to guess that I made my outfit. I don't know what it was. Maybe I was just too proud talking about it, but everyone got the guess that it was handmade. It was interesting to see how long people thought the piece took. Like everybody kept saying 1 week, and I was like, oh, interesting. It took about 2 days. Like if you combine all the hours I actually used to make the piece, it took about 2 days. I made the pattern myself, cut and stitch everything together. You guys would have seen the tutorial for the sleeve already. It's a petal sleeve. But the price, guys. If I were to sell a piece like this, definitely above £200 because of how much time goes into making a tailored garment. There's a lot of things to consider when you're constructing tailored pieces, but this was such a fun social experiment. Let me know if you'd like me to make more of these type of videos where I basically ask people to guess my outfits, how long it took to make them and how much it costs, and we could potentially make this a repeating thing on the channel. But until my next video, have a good morning, afternoon and evening wherever you are. Bye.